1, 2, 3, My baby don't mess around because she loves.
And so sa mga kaboblocks, kagigising ko lang. So gumising tayo ng maaga para mag-rides kasama si JM. So tara, gear up na tayo.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I won't get back up, cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
So guys, ayun, nandito na nga ako sa Vista Mall, ang dapat aming meet up. Kaso ako lang mag-isa. So ako lang mag-isa, parang hindi yata sila nagising. Yan. Paano na yan? Uwi na ako, ganun. Hindi, antay pa tayo mga konting oras pa. Chat-chat ko din si JM. Kasi si JM sabi dito daw, sabay-sabay na. Kaso bakit ako pa lang? Yan. So check muna natin yung ating GC kung merong pupunta.
A few moments later.
So guys, mukhang hindi kami tuloy. Gear up na uli. Uwi na lang muna ako at tutuloy ko na lang yung vlog ko doon sa bahay. And sayang, minsan lang naman ako makalabas pa. Pero bukas, try natin mag-rides. Pag maaga tayo nagising. Sa ano naman tayo? Sa tunnel na naman. Ay, saan kaya? Yan. Update ko na lang kayo mamaya.
Sick of being the monster
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion.
So guys, ayan, nakauwi na nga ako. At yun, sobrang init. Pagod na pagod ako. Hindi naman pagod na pagod. Pagod lang. Ayan. Sayang hindi kami natuloy. Bali, alam ko tuloy sila eh. Pero dito lang sa malapit. So, tinatamad na ako. Maglalaba pa din ako. Kaya maglalaba din pala kami. At wala na kami susuotin kasi dito nagbabakasyon yung pamangkin ko. Bali, sila ay tulog pa. Kaya maya tutulog din ako. Ito. Ayan. Tutulog pamangkin ko at saka si Regina. Kaya huwag tayo masyado maingay. Bali ngayon, magsasalang na ako ng lalabahan ko. So, tuloy na lang natin ito mamaya. Sayang hindi ko kayo naigala sa ibang lugar naman. Pero try natin kinabukasan. Linggo. Kasi pag linggo marami nagra-rides. So, yun lang. Bye-bye. So guys, habang nagpapahinga tayo, ay papanoorin ko lang itong mga isda ko. Papakainin natin. Yan. So, ito namang isa. Pakainin din natin sa baba. Dumadami na isda ko eh. Ba't may ano dito? Ba't may cutter? Yan. Ito pa. Mga baby. Yan. So, pahinga muna tayo ulit. Oh, ha? Huwag na naman. Akala mo naman talagang aga ka, no? Hindi nagising. Ay, hindi nagising sila eh. Na-late ng gising.
Wala na. Ngayon ka na nga lang makakapag-rides eh.
Oo nga eh. Tulog pa si NJ.
Hindi ka na mag-rides ulit. Tama na yun.
Bukas.
Bukas.
Baka mag-tunnel ako bukas.
Sama mo ako?
Hindi.
Di wag!
Dito ka lang. Tahali ka na gumising eh. Hindi na ako nang gigising eh.
Wala ka, damot.
So, naglalaba na ako. Baka naman tulungan mo ako maglaba.
Oo!
Oh no! Oo. Suntukin kita eh.
Para may pinagdadaanan ako ngayon ha. Malungkot ako.
Ano pinagdadaanan mo?
Bawal sabihin.
Bawal? Bakit bawal?
Bawal sabihin eh!
Ay, naku, kahit maligo, mabaho. Sino kaya yan?
Pakita mo kilikili ko. Lang itim.
Hindi naman. Ayan, update ko na lang ulit kayo mamaya. Baka tapusin ko na kaya.
Alin?
Vlog ko. So, abangan nyo susunod kong vlog. Kasi meron akong aquarium dyan. Bali, set up natin. Tapos, hindi ko pa alam kung anong isda ang ilalagay ko.
Pimpo.
Pang malalaking aquarium yon.
Dalawa lang naman eh.
Maganda, marami yon. Loko-loko ka ba?
Dalawa lang.
So, ayan, comment lang kayo kung anong magandang isda na ilagay.
Pingpong.
Ayan. So, dito na lang. Don't forget to like, comment, sharing the bell para latest ka sa updated ko. Higit sa lahat. Subscribe!
Subscribe!